What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Dollar Tree. I just went live in here and I just came across this brand new end cap of items that I hadn't even seen yet. Of course, they're all by Bolero. We have a brand new facial mist in rose water and green tea, the matching cleanser, the matching exfoliator, and the matching moisturizer. This is 3 ounces. And then we also have a energy boost vitamin C and cucumber facial mist, cleanser, exfoliator, and moisturizer. And then we have a hibiscus and chamomile mist, cleanser, exfoliator, and moisturizer. I don't think anyone has bought any of these yet, you guys. It's brand new. It was probably just put out today. Let's see if these are the same. I think these are all the same up here. I have about 10 of these at home. As much as I love them, I'm not gonna buy any more. These have the little glitters in them. The cute little glitter, all of them do. I really love the facial mist a lot. I had to share those with you guys. Let's go over to this end cap. We also have the body yogurts, pink cactus and aloe. We have lavender and jasmine, vanilla and honey, which matches the 2 times concentrated body wash, and we have the coconut and rose water. I just found the matching body washes, the pink cactus and aloe. Again, this is the 2 times concentrated, and we also have the lavender and jasmine. And then down here we have a bunch of the body lotion mists. We have cool cucumber, juicy watermelon, refreshing aloe, tropical coconut. We have, what's this one? Soothing almond milk, reviving eucalyptus. Can you believe we have so many? We have energizing pineapple, and last but not least, calming lavender. Wow, I'm so impressed because I really love these, and I can't believe Dollar Tree came out with so many varieties. I'm just really impressed. Okay, look at that. Look at those. Wow, you guys, wow. I totally don't need any more body wash, but I really do want to try these. So nice. And then we have a bunch of Bolero bath bombs, sweet orange vanilla, lavender eucalyptus, mango hibiscus, coconut sea salt. Wow, what else? Pink pineapple cucumber. Listen to these flavors, they sound so nice. And then we also have the 3 heart fizzies in here. And they're supposed to be fizzy ones. And then look, you guys, we have more. So I saw these a couple weeks ago, but now we have the matching charcoal infused body scrubbers. This is like a body sponge. And the matching gloves. That looks like it would feel nice. I kind of want to try it. I kind of want to get one. I'm going to throw it in there. Look, you guys, the owls are in, the fall owls. And then we also have these up here. Those are new. Mr. and Mrs. The little trinket trays, the ring holders are all here. The front of my store had a huge display of hair accessories, and then we still have tons back here. All of these are by the Scoonsy brand. Let's see if we have anything else new. These are so cute. This reminds me of a dress Birdy has. The little head wraps, again by Scoonsy. Let's see what else we have. I saw some glitter glue that was name brand. I actually threw it in my cart. This is the glitter glue that's out. And then we also have a color changing glue. I'll show it to you guys. Let's go down and find the end cap. And then we have the disappearing purple spray glue as well. This is the store I found the Happy Planner stickers in, the $20 Happy Planner stickers. So cute. so cute. Stand tall. Look at the cactus. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the end cap. I wonder what color this changes to. Oh, yellow to red. And then we also have the goes purple. I kind of want to get one of these. Even though this one has more ounces. This one is 6 ounces and this one is 5 ounces. There's some little clear drink pitchers. I wonder if we have any new toys. Let's see. We haven't really been finding many toys in here lately. These are new though, aren't they pretty? We have brand new stickers. Brand new stickers. We also had some brand new SpongeBob stickers in the front of the store. These are new. Little pencil pouches. Oh, that's cute. Follow the rainbow. Oh, look at these, you guys. Look at these little storage containers. These are brand new. Nice if you're a crafter or an artist and you just want to store your supplies in there. My store has a Valentine's Day end cap. This makes no sense. Valentine's Day, you guys. Valentine's Day. And Christmas. And Christmas, yes. Just, and Valentine's Day and fall. Okay, let's see if we have anything new down this aisle. The little tea sets are back. The tea sets are back. Nothing really new. Oh my gosh, the Minions. The Minions are new, you guys. The Minions are new. The Rise of Gru. These are definitely new. All auto. And then, of course, Trolls World Tour items are still here, as well as the Barbie pets. Yep. Not really anything else, though. Not really seeing any new toys. I got these for Gator's birthday. Take a bite. Oh, and look at these, you guys. We have the super long straws. Just remember to recycle them. Recycle your straws. The longer flex straws. Oh, and these are new too, you guys. All of these lip smackers are new. All of the princesses. We have frappe lip smackers. Just a bunch of lip smackers. I really didn't see any new makeup this week. I did get these last week though, the 80 pack of Band-Aids. I thought that was a great deal. My favorite Dollar Tree stalker is here today and she's been busy stocking the shelves. And I know she's always putting new things out. So sometimes when I know she went back to an area, I like to double check again because she's always like adding more things. These are still here. I've pretty much been seeing a little bit of Wet n Wild and then mostly LA Colors and some e.l.f. These are new. I showed these in my live. The new color brush on nail glue. Those are new this week. But there really isn't a lot of new makeup, just the lip balms. We have even more lip balms over here. We have a whole Hershey's display. These are new as well. We have the Hershey glosses, flavored lip gloss, and the balms. Those are new this week. And of course we have some new jewelry and hair clips too. You guys, I usually go live every Monday, so if you miss my live, definitely go back and watch my live. I try to show highlights and really focus on the new items for the week, the things that I know you guys are excited about, the things that will like get you in the store, the name brand items. Like these are back. You can find these on Amazon for like $7 each. These are dupes for the Ordinary skincare, the serums. We have 2 different serums. But yeah, you guys, I really got to run. I have to head off to Aldi because they're going to be closing soon. But then I think I'm gonna go and head off and film in another Dollar Tree to see if I can find even more variety, because I love bringing you guys as much variety as possible when it comes to Dollar Tree. But hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed hanging out with me or you enjoy my content. It really does make a big difference. But all right, you guys, on that note, I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.